This is my brother Billy. Today is Billy's birthday. Billy is 11 years old. Billy gets many presents. Billy gets a new video game. I have an old video game. Billy's video game is new. Billy's video game is better. Billy says, "You can play my video game." I say, "Can I?" Billy says, "Of course, you are my brother. Let's share the video game." Billy gets a new bike. I have an old bike. Billy's bike is new. Billy's bike is better. Billy says, "You can ride my bike." I say, "Can I?" Billy says, "Of course, you are my brother. Let's share the bike."